You're up early.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Whoa, yo, what?
What?
Why is your voice so deep?
Oh, it's just a little deeper in the morning. Yours doesn't do that?
You sound like you're narrating a Ford commercial.
Yeah, I get that sometimes.
Is that like a condition, or?
I don't know why it does that, Daniel. It's early. Will you let me enjoy my morning in peace?
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to make some tea for Dennis. You want one too?
No, sir. No, thank you, hoodie guy.
And FYI, Dennis is a little under the weather. He sounds terrible. Try not to draw attention to it. I think he's self-conscious.
Do you mean self-conscious?
お前らおはよ
Morning.
う。うわ、声低すぎだろ。
Okay, what is going on?